Hello, my name is Antonio Sandifer, and this is my presentation on Lead from the Heart by Mark Crowley. In Mark Crowley's concept, he is saying that traditional way of how have been doing business is now obsolete, to where it's been all about driving hard force, about trying to get more productivity out of people by just causing them to do the work without showing any type of compassion, empathy, and most definitely not love in the workplace. Where Crowley is now saying that that old way of business cannot continue to work, that people are continuing to leave the workforce in large numbers because they're not happy with what they're seeing and how they're feeling about their work. And that he's saying now that we have to be more compassionate and caring in our workforce to ensure that we have the best quality workers that will give us the best quality result. In my current position as the education director with the Skokomish Indian tribe, I see this concept happening every day. In the Native American community, they have always worked in a family oriented environment where family comes first, where we begin to care about each other. And as our students, I am the education director, and as our students begin to go off into the public schools, they begin to suffer because they notice that that same family environment, family atmosphere, the culture where people are caring for them is no longer there. There's a school district currently in our community where our kids have went. The school has been there for over 50 years. And for the last 50 years, the Native American students in that particular building have not always felt like they're a part of that community. The demographics of the building is 100% Caucasian, to where now we have over nearly 50% of Native American students in that building, but the staff is 100% Caucasian. So they're not seeing anyone that looks like them, let alone that shows as if they really care for them and hoping and happy that they're there and want to see them succeed. So my transformational change is to introduce a program called FAST, Families and Students Working Together. And what this would do is a cultural change that would truly change the way that families see themselves and how they interact in their child's academic life and academic process. One of the goals of the program would be to restore the family environment back into the school, where the parents would feel very comfortable coming into the school and being a part of their child's academic learning process. The program consists of 8 weeks of training where families and the students come together and they have separate training and training together where they will be able to learn strategies and techniques on how to work together and how to communicate effectively. Now, the opposition to that is how I'm going to get parents there. Many parents are already very, very resistant about coming into the school or having anything to do with the school. So that's one of the opposition. Another opposition is going to be how to get past this historical trauma and drama that has surrounded this community for the last 50 years. The second thing that we're going to do within this process is to present and try to encourage to have more Native American presence in the building. It is so vital that our students see people that look like them and where they can feel as if that they're being cared for. Here at Skokomish, we have tutors that we put into the schools, Native American tutors that we put into the schools to work with the students. At least from the tribal's perspective, we have people that look like them in the school building, but the school has not done a great effort or a great appeal to try to attract Native Americans to come here to the school. So one of the oppositions to this concept would be the school, which they've said on many occasions, how do we attract qualified Native American teachers to come to our community? And when they pass several other communities that's paying more money. Also, how do we get past this stigma, again, of this generational cultural drama that has been there of, I don't want to go in that building. Parents don't want to be a part of this, so let alone new staff being hired. But we believe that by having more Native American presence in the building, that the staff in the building will begin to lead from their heart because they will see that there's true love being shown toward our students.